Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys 3 different ways you can coil your braids with flexi rods. One flexi rod, you can use it to get 3 different type of coils. So my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. For this first one, you have to smoothen your extension first, then grab your flexi rods and start twisting it around the flexi rods. You twist and then you roll. You have to make sure the twist is close to each other without giving gap. Okay, so guys, I will allow you all to watch through this process. If there's any other thing I need to pinpoint, I'll definitely do that.
Edges laid, curls popping, buns so high, lace fronts, braids how you touch the sky. African roots with a modern spin, from home to the world, let the glam begin. Wig caps, part lines, scissors and glue, I'll show you the tips, pro tricks too. Love your crown, let the world see. It's hair, it's you, it's royalty. You don't need a fancy chair or lights, just your passion and a little insight. Through every strand, I bring you close to confidence, power, let it flow.
For this second one, after smoothing it with my comb, I still have to use my rattle comb to make sure it's well smooth. So this second one, you have to roll it on the flexi roll without twisting, but make sure it's very flat. So while you roll, feel free to use your comb to smoothen it and then you roll. The process here means that you have to make the braids to be flat on the flexi rolls. So guys, do well to continue video. If you watched to this point and you're here to hit that like button, what are you waiting for? For more tutorial videos, kindly hit the subscribe button. It's free of charge. No one is going to charge you for subscribing. Turn on the notification bell so that once I upload new videos, you will get notified. For this third one is similar to the second one, but this time around we are rolling the extension on the same space, on the same spot. Okay, you are free to smoothen it while you roll, similar to the second one, but this time around we are doing it on the same spot. After the whole process, go ahead and apply your hot water guys. Then this is time for us to unravel, and then let's see our beautiful coils. If you are yet to like this video, please use this opportunity to click the like button. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. For more tutorial videos, kindly subscribe. You are free to make your video requests. Is there anything you want me to make tutorial on? You know I'll always guide you all.
Now comb it, twist it, own your name. In every look, you set the flame. Global glam, African pride. Learn the art, let your beauty rise.
See the beautiful 3 different types of coils you can achieve with your flexi rods. The third one is similar to the second one but still different. Okay, go ahead and practice. Enjoy these coils with your braids. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in my next tutorial video. Bye.